If you're starting with literally nothing right now, this video is going to change how you think about money because most people are doing it completely backwards. And by the end of this, you'll have a clear step-by-step system that actually works in 2026. Let's get into it. Step 1. Stop saving, start stacking. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Putting money in a regular savings account in 2026 is basically losing money. Inflation is eating it alive. What you want instead is a high yield savings account, or HYSA. These are paying anywhere from 4 to 5% right now. That's free money just for switching banks. Takes about 10 minutes online. Do it today. Step 2. Kill your high interest debt first. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to wipe out anything above 7% interest. Credit cards, buy now, pay later balances, personal loans. Why? Because paying off a 20% credit card is literally a guaranteed 20% return. No investment on earth gives you that risk-free. Attack the highest rate first, minimum payments on everything else. This is called the avalanche method, and it is the single fastest way out. Step 3. Build your $1,000 emergency buffer, not 3 months of expenses, not 6, just $1,000 to start. This is your firewall. Without it, one unexpected bill wipes out every investment you make. Get to 1,000, park it in that HYSA you just opened, and don't touch it. This step alone puts you ahead of most people. Step 4, start investing, even if it's $20. This is where people freeze up. They think they need thousands to start investing. You don't. Apps like Fidelity, Schwab, or even your employer's 401k let you start with almost nothing. And here's what you're buying: index funds, specifically something that tracks the S&P 500. You're not picking stocks, you're not gambling. You're buying a tiny slice of the 500 biggest companies in America. And historically, that goes up about 10% a year on average. Set it up, automate it, forget about it. Step 5, automate your money flow. This is the move that separates people who actually build wealth from people who just think about it. Every payday, money moves automatically. A percentage hits your HYSA. A percentage hits your investment account. You live on what's left. You never have to think about it. You never have to have willpower. It just happens. Set this up once and your future self will genuinely thank you. Step 6, increase your income. Everything we've talked about works faster the more you earn. You don't need a second job. You need one skill that pays more. Freelancing, learning a tool your employer needs, picking up one certification. Even an extra $200 or $300 a month compounding over 10 years is a life-changing amount of money. The real secret nobody wants to say out loud: wealth in 2026 isn't about finding some secret investment or crypto gem. It's boring. It's consistent. It's automating good decisions so you don't have to rely on motivation. The people winning financially right now are not smarter than you. They just started. So start today, even if it's small, especially if it's small. If this helped you, subscribe. I'm putting out a new video every week breaking down exactly how to handle your money in the current economy. See you in the next one.